Okay, just a quick video update. I had said in a previous video I printed out these little wire harness tabs that I mounted in various places on the chassis, as you can see, to hold the wiring. Today, finally, the heat shrink arrived, so I was able to extend the DC power leads for all of the motors. As stated previously, I have these 24-inch leads for all of the servos. So today, it doesn't look like much, but it took a lot of time. Got all that soldered, all that installed, and on, so you can see kind of what it looks like before I tidied it up. And then this side represents what the finished product is going to be. Everything here is all neatly tied up, wire tied. I tried to do the best cable management I could. These loops here are to allow the suspension to articulate without binding. Same thing up here as well. These are all coiled in such a way as the suspension there can move, and it won't cause any binding on any of the wiring. So again, these are like the little details that just take so much time to do. But again, I'm pleased with the result. Now if I could just get this side to look just like that side, I'd be one step closer. Thanks for watching.